The biggest opportunity for sellers in 2026 is updating their home before listing. This is the obvious assumption. Most sellers paint the walls white, put down gray vinyl flooring, and expect a bidding war. The real opportunity is knowing exactly which features home buyers actually pay a premium for this year. If attention has nowhere to go, standard renovations simply create more noise. Right now, sellers are spending thousands of dollars on generic cosmetic flips. They assume a fresh coat of paint and cheap materials drive higher offers. Buyers penalize generic flips. A bad guess could waste $20,000 and it traps your house on the market through the entire summer. Your deal with lowball offers, daily staging panics, and strangers tracking August humidity through your living room every weekend. Your holding costs pile up while your equity shrinks. To command a premium price and control the timeline, your house must prove exactly what 2026 buyers values. I will show you the exact trends that capture that premium, but first, you need to understand the updates that actively kill your home value right now. Outdated color palettes and cheap open concept floor plans are out. I'm Schundreia, owner of Slim Realty Group. My team handles residential and investment sales across Northwest Houston. We track these specific market shifts every week. Now, to command the best price, you need to use the Houston Buyer Demand Map. This is a system that routes buyer attention into perceived value and higher offers. The map focuses on 3 distinct categories. First, climate resilience. Houston buyers want materials that survive extreme heat and heavy storms. Upgrading to impact-resistant windows or dual-stage HVAC with complete home humidity control pays off. Buyers look at the AC unit before they look at the kitchen counters. Second, wellness features. Buyers actively look for homes with improved air quality systems, natural light routing, and dedicated recovery spaces. They want HEPA filtration built into the ductwork, not a portable fan shoved into a corner. Third, floor plan flow. Buyers want hard walls. They want a home office with a physical door that shuts off from the living room. Noise overflow, and 2026 buyers refuse to pay for noise. That sounds useful, but this is where the money leaks. You cannot guess which of these 2 categories your specific neighborhood demands. The National Housing and Design Trend data shows that wellness-focused spaces are one of the fastest growing buyer preferences in 2026. Installing climate-resilient windows versus a standard kitchen cosmetic update in Harris County adds about $15,000 to $18,000 on resale value. When you apply the right upgrade to the right house, the math changes. Knowing the trends is easy. Executing the right updates without overspending is hard. If you guess, you risk spending capital on updates that yield you nothing. You need a baseline before you call a contractor. If you want help building your specific strategy, my team runs a pre-listing audit. We review your home property, map the exact low-cost updates that move the needle, and provide the vendor resourcing to get the work done. If you're a buyer looking to understand these trends from the other side, hit subscribe so you know what to look for at your next showing. If you're a seller, click the link in the description, submit your property details, and we will schedule a call to review your strategy.